Hello guys. Ano?
I thought it was a
Hey
picture.
guys, what do you feel?
Okay.
Yay! Excited. Where are we going, Mia?
Taiwan.
Hi guys, this is Jessie Kids. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. So our journey begins. Ayan po si Mia. We're walking towards our gate na napakalayo. Pero good thing may mga walkulator naman dito sa Dubai International Airport. So carry bells lang. So ayan, makikita nyo. Ayan, this is on towards Concourse C. Okay. How's your drinks, anak? Guys, nagkukuha siya ng... Is it allowed? That it has coffee, anak. So okay lang. So nandito kami sa saan? So we would like to tell you kung paano ang aming Taiwan trip. What things do you need, okay? To go to Taiwan. Cheers. Cheers tayo, anak. Cheers. Ano, what are you having?
Ano?
That's acai berry, something refresher, and I'm having a matcha latte, strawberry, with strawberry and coconut milk. Okay. Anong kailangan, anak? Anong kailangan first? Show them. The passport, okay? So yan, the passport, of course, alam niyo yun, we don't need visa to Taiwan up to 14 days. O yun, 14 days guys. Tapos, in-extend nila yun until 2027. So, punta na kayo doon. Anyways, it's my second time to go there. Pero, it's always nice to come back kasi there's always something new. Diba? Tama ba yun? Wow, yes. Wow, galing ah. Talagang ikaw ang gusto niya, Mia. Yes. Ayan. Oh, yun. Tapos, so, now, they require na yung Taiwan arrival card. So, ito yun. Pupunta kayo sa legit website. Muntik pa akong ma-scam, guys. Kasi gabi ko ginagawa. Tapos, pagtingin ko, nag-a-ask ng payment. So, mali yun. There's no payment dapat. And, yung website niya, makikita nyo naman yun eh. Basta i-type nyo Taiwan arrival card. Yung form, medyo mahaba-haba rin yung yung i-complete nyo. Pero ayan. Okay, yan. Basta ipakita mo lang ganyan. Yung Taiwan arrival card, what it looks like. Hindi nakikita. Taiwan arrival card, kailangan kayo noon at least 3 days before your travel. So, ilalagay ko na yung passport ko, guys, kasi baka mawala pa namin. We're gonna stay sa Ximending area. So, watch out for it kasi we are planning to take the metro. Kasi their metro is one of the efficient and easy to navigate. Ayun. No. Out of words. We're gonna take Eva Air. Sana guys makuha namin yung Hello Kitty. Yung Hello Kitty na aircraft. Gusto namin masakyan ni Mia. That is Eva Air. O, diba? What else? Yun lang. We're really sad kasi nga hindi makakasama si Ate Jaja, si Ate Memes, at saka si Daddy. Can I have, wow, sa'yo pala to. I thought this for Daddy. Bagong Skull Panda. Papakita niya sa inyo guys yung Skull Panda niya. Kikita ba? Oh, diba si Skull Panda? Ano yan? Gift sa'yo ni Anke. Tapos, meron siyang bagong, binili niya yan. Look, I think that's your allowance na, for this month, diba? Sabi mo, Mommy, I will not,
Oy, hindi
ano to? Diba?
It's just nothing.
Oo, parang nilay na naman kay Mommy yan, ha?
How much is
chika namin. Well, we'll wait for the next adventure. Kung makakaya nga namin ang DIY ni Mia. We're gonna stay there for 3 days, 2 nights lang. Cause she's gonna start school na. Sila ate niya magwi-wait sa amin. Magwi-wait pa. Kasi bakasyon pa naman sila. Tsaka they're waiting for their passport. Kasi dito nga nag-renew sa UAE. Yeah. We are here nga pala sa Dubai International Airport. And we're waiting for our flight. Dito kami sa Concourse C. Ayun yung flight namin. Well, still early kaya nag-chika-chika muna kami. Vlog ni Mia. So, are you excited, anak? Are you excited?
Yeah.
How excited? 1 to 10.
Maybe 10.
Wow, maybe 10. Yeah, she's excited. Why? What do you want to see?
I don't know.
Do you remember the 7-Eleven? You said, you know guys, ayun, yung one thing maganda pa sa hotel namin there, the 7-Eleven is Hello Kitty. So, tingnan natin kung as expected nga is parang reality check kung talagang ang maganda yung 7-Eleven nila na Hello Kitty tea. Yun lang. We'll wait for our flight later.
Well, we got the VIP treatment. Thank you. We're good for the VIP treatment. Oh, this flight then.
Ayaw pa man ng paakyat.
Let's go to the airport. Hindi siya gumagana, guys. Leah is engineering something. Is it working, Anna? Working? So guys, we are already on board. So we will see you when we open our window later. So, ayan, nakikita nyo ang aming nilalakbay. O, diba? Yes, guys, ayan, diba? Ano yan? Front camera view ng aming aircraft. Yung camera on top pala. Camera on top yan. So, ayun guys. So, we take off now from Dubai to Taipei. And this is an A380 aircraft. Ito ang food namin. The first food. O, diba? Ayan. I order omelette ata yan. And then, ayan yung mga fruits. May dessert. May mga crackers and cheese. And eto naman yung ayun pala yung kay Mia. And eto naman yung sa akin. I will open na. 1, 2, 3. Tadan, ang bagal, diba? Oh, ayan na guys. Oh, congee ang in-order ko. The first meal, guys, hindi ko na nakuhaan. Ayan. See you later. Oh. And then, ito nga pala ang banyo sa A380. Medyo malawak, medyo high-tech. Ayan, oh. Ayan, makikita nyo. Pinakita ko lang. Tapos may mga plug dyan. Ayan, yung kanilang, ba't nawawala yung isang, there should be yung hand wash at saka lotion over there. Ayan yung faucet. Oh, ayan. So, after approximate 8 hours din, kasi almost pareho lang sa Manila, ayan na kami guys. We are queuing up sa kanilang immigration. Oh, ayan kami ni Mia. We passed through immigration na, hindi naman ganun kahaba, and we are waiting for our baggage.
Yeah.
How are you? Are you tired? That's the baggage. Hi guys, ayan ang arrival hall. Yan, wala pa rin yung bagahe namin. Let's see. Pero mabilis lang yung sa arrival nila, no Mia? It's so easy. Wow, hindi ko nakuhaan. Kuhanin, ano ka ba yung bag ko pa? Kuhanin mo. She got your bag. Oh, girl is coming. That's my bag. Oh. Go Mia, go Mia. Hi Mia, welcome to Taiwan. Magpa-picture tayo dito. Since sariling sikap na photo, yan lang ang na-photo namin. So first up guys, we have to look for ATM machine. So ito yung first na nakita namin, pero actually meron pa dun sa baba sa arrival. In this ATM machine guys, you can withdraw up to maximum of 20,000 Taiwanese dollar. And I said we don't need much because we're just gonna stay here for 3 days. 2 nights. So, ayan. So, here we are on our way to arrival, looking for the metro station. So, pagbaba dyan, guys, to the right side, makikita nyo na yung parang metro station. So, sabi ng girl, we have to go down to Taipei main station. So, I said, okay, one ride lang yung kailangan namin. So, she gave us this purple chip, sabi niya. And then, from Taipei main station, we have to take another train, yung parang metro train, papunta sa Ximending. So, sabi namin, sige, doon na lang kami bibili. So, now, you can see blue and purple color. Yung purple color, guys, yan yung sinasabing express. And the blue color is yung may mga stop. So, nung una, dito kami, ano bang gagawin namin?
Yeah,
so, we decided na
Sana tama
we will
to.
go as per our
Platform to
trip. O,
Taipei.
diba? Pero hindi. Pareho lang pala yun. Pero, it's your choice kung gusto nyo yung mag-stop-stop. Kasi kung may pupuntahin kayong particular na stop na wala dun sa purple color. So, eto na kami.
So, nakapila kami dito guys. So, ayan. Organize naman sila. Nakapila. I hope tama to. Let's get lost, Mia. Diba? Yeah. Kasi sabi ng babae. Binigyan kami ng chips.
It's purple.
It's color purple. So, we will follow color purple. Hindi. Ano? We will follow color purple. Kasi nakalagay dito. Purple. Oh, ayan. We will follow that one. Nakalagay commuter train and bus.
So, ayan ang proof of life. O, may ganon. Yan ang aming proof. O, ayan. Nandito na kami sa metro station. Medyo malayo-layo siya. At saka yung parang metro is umaakyat ng bundok. Nafe-feel namin yung pressure. So, ito na po. Nakarating na kami sa Taipei main station.
Okay. Go. Okay. And then mommy's turn. Yes, we survived. Okay, now we have to buy a ticket.
Well guys, I think we exited too fast kasi hindi kami nakabili ng easy card. I think there are easy card machine inside bago kami mag-exit. Tapos dun sa Family Mart, round out of easy card na daw. So wala kaming choice kundi mag-taxi. So malapit lang naman siguro from Taipei main
This is
station.
our hotel guys, Green World. And ito lang yung Ximen Metro Station. O, diba? Ximen Metro Mall. Baba tayo sa Ximen. Punta mo na, gusto mo punta tayo dito sa 7-Eleven.
Well guys, I'm so happy with our neighborhood. Yan, yung hotel namin katabi ng Ximen Station, exit number 5. May Japanese restaurant na katabi namin, which is the Sushiro. And plus, the 7-Eleven is a Hello Kitty team. O, diba? Kaya, happy. And by the way, sa tapat rin pala is merong bus to take us to Jufen Old Street, yung Jufen, but we did not go there. No time. Well guys, the night is still young, diba? Pagkatapos naming ilagay yung gamit namin, sabi namin we will walk to the Ximending night market. Tapat lang siya guys ng aming hotel. Tumawid lang kami. As in literally tumawid lang kami. So ito pala ang Ximending.
Ayan o. Dito tayo kakain na anak. Wow. Meron sa dito yung ayan yung ABC Mart. Yan yung bilihan ng murang sapatos. Everything in the night. Oh.
Rainbow Hotel, oh, sa gitna lang.
Ayan o, Ford hotdog. Buy ka na. Sabi mo 2 fried hotdog. Ayan, kumakain si Mia. Ito ang Pop Mart. Swatchy. Ito, meron nagtitinda dito si Lolong Scallion. Pancake Scallion. Oh, ano, ubusin mo yan. Itong mga damit. Ano bang gusto niyan damit? Ha? That's stinky tofu. Ayun oh. Ayun anak ko, may stinky tofu doon oh. Si Guy. Stinky tofu. Halika.
Well, si Mia, kahit gutom siya, nakita niya yung Pop Mart and then naalala niya yung mga kapatid niya. So, she said she has to buy daw Mermes Pop Mart, yung favorite niya na, sino ba to? Yan, si Hirono. Tari namin tong Sing Futang. Grabe, ang haba ng pila, guys. Tapos medyo ulan-ulan pa yan. So, ayan, nakita rin namin ang famous Rainbow Road. Street ba yan? O, ayan. So, we have to take a photo. Ayan, guys. So, marami pa rin tao na, what you call this, na naglalakad. So, ayan. Ayan kami. Style. Hirap tayo. Well, guys, parang yung itsura ng place, I've been here before, yan siya Shimiling, pero yung mga itsura rin is may mga Japan feels vibes din, diba? Parang Japan din, kasi may mga ganyan, yung mga big poster, tapos yan, mahilig rin sila sa mga ganyan. Well, parang Japan feels vibes nga talaga. Parang nasa Japan ka na rin. Pero syempre, iba pa rin. Yung taste ng Taiwan or Taipei, iba rin yung Japan. Oh, eto guys. So, we will check it out kung anong mabibili namin.
Kasi guys, namin yung stinky tofu. Ano sasabi mo? Yummy ba yun niya? Sabi nila yummy daw yun. Ito yung stinky tofu eh. Sabing tao dito. Dito tayo sa left side. Hindi pa tayo nag-try dito. Ay, ang dami kumakain sa stinky tofu. Wala na, ubos na yung stinky tofu. Ubos na. Dito kaya, sa gilid-gilid doon. Ayan o, punta tayo doon. Bago tayo pumunta dito. Ayan o, famous yan, beef noodles house. Oo. Diba? Ang dami. Picture yan o, guys, ang dami. Oh, let's go there. Let's explore. Pumipila kami kahit maulan, guys. Ayan oh, guys, kami nandito. Want to see us?
Well guys, lahat ng tao dito nakapila, diba? Pero yung mga iba pa rin sumisingit, o diba, kagaya ng nasa una namin, sorry naman. Just to mention, ayun nga, follow the line all the time.
Yung nato lang, roasted brown sugar na lang. Brown sugar boba. Ano? Ano yan? Hi. What is this? Is your most famous one, yeah?
Yes.
You have also taro? No taro. Two of that one. And then you have this, ano yung gusto niyo, favorite
Can try
niyo?
combo number 2 with salamat, just two.
Okay. Combo number 2. Two of two, one combo number 2 and one,
263. Thank you.
okay.
974 974
Ayan, bibigyan ka doon lang.
975
In-order namin, guys.
976 977.
Yan ang famous ano nila, anak. Really? Oo, tapos ano, yung 265. 265. Ayan, guys.
Sing Fu Tang is a Taiwanese bubble tea chain that became famous for its handmade brown sugar boba and brown sugar boba milk, where the tapioca pearls are stir-fried in brown sugar and the drink is finished with a caramelized torch It was founded in 2018 in Taipei and expanded internationally. Well, next stop namin ang Jigua Fried Chicken or JNG Fried Chicken is also one of the famous Taiwan fried chicken chain. O, diba? It began as a street food stall in 1973 and is famous for its large, crispy, boneless fried chicken pieces seasoned with a signature blend of spices. Oh, ayan guys, we order yung crispy squid and yung popcorn, yung crispy pop, yung signature crispy fried chicken nila yon. Ayan.
Parang may nag-message. Sarap oh.
他没有带号码牌吗？他没有号码牌吗
Mia's trying na chicken popcorn. Food trip si Mia oh. Food trip si Mia. Ang sarap ba na? We will try the combo number 1. Ito masarap rin to oh. Crispy fried chicken. You want to try? Harap. Harap Mia. Diyan kami bumili. Take home namin. Yan ang dinner namin. Street food lang kami, di ba Mia? Busog ka na? Nabusog ka na? Street food lang sa Taiwan, guys. So, we're going back to our hotel. Walking distance lang yon. Let's go, Mia. Let's go.
Before we head out to our room, we decided to drop by in the Hello Kitty 7-Eleven because of course, rice is life. So we're gonna check it out if there's anything we could eat for dinner na with rice. So we have to pass by and look at this. But Mia, she said she will not play now. She just wanted to rest because of course it's a whole full day for us. So let's go have a pic at the 7-Eleven Hello Kitty, and full vlog will be on a separate video, guys. Yun lang.
Hotdog lang din. Ito, ano ko? May gusto ka ba? Ayan o. Chicken rice. Open mo. Uy, ang sarap niyan. Ano ba yan? Chicken breast bento. You want to buy?
Ayan guys, marami kami nakita na bento rice. So ayan, ang napili namin. And ayan, marami pang iba. So actually the whole dinner namin, dito lang namin binibili before we head to our room sa hotel. Pagkatapos namin kumala. Ayan, ang daming option. And by the way, you can heat it. May microwave sila dito. Tapos free utensils na rin. Ayun, kaya dito na lang kami bumibili ng for dinner namin aside from the snacks. So, ito yung kanilang microwave side.
Let's go. Lagay dun sa... Gutom siya. She wants to buy her sister. Wow, gutom ka na, di ba? Guys, finally nakarating na kami. Mia. Ayun guys, so it's nice naman.
Yes guys, ito na nga yung aming hotel. We're on the 12th floor. Tapos sa building ng Green World, sa 13th floor yung check-in ng hotel na to. Kasi parang sharing sila with Just Sleep Hotel sa building. Ayan yung itsura ng aming hallway. And full vlog, yung quick room tour namin. It will be on the separate video guys. Kasi nga, we're heading to our room now to sleep and to rest because it's another day tomorrow. Ayan, Shiminding area just across us. Yun lang. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Shishini! Later!